Hi there, this is Lance from Webnerd. Today we're going to focus on how to use the Webnerd Edge shopping cart. If you'd followed the previous tutorial on getting started creating a website, once you've created your website you can now choose to purchase it. Simply click on buy and it'll take you straight to the Webnerd shopping cart. At this point, very simply click on the view cart, and at this point you've got certain options. For example, you can change your term from monthly to yearly. You can remove it from the shopping cart. If you have a discount coupon, you could apply the coupon here, or if you have a voucher, you can use it here. To purchase more items, click on the keep shopping, or you can empty the cart or simply check out. In the checkout, what we're going to do is we're going to create an account, and yeah, you would fill in all of your information, which we will do now. Okay, so we quickly fill in our details. Not all the fields are essential. This is quite an important section here. The company name, because this information is actually used in creating your website. If you are VAT registered, obviously to include your VAT number. Payment methods, you can do a bank transfer, PayPal or PayFast. If you need something extra, please let us know. Agreeing to the terms and conditions and selecting confirm will finish off your